Hi guys! This is Zuski from R.V.C Tech and I'm back again with another video. I recently received Android Oreo on my HTC 10 and I have used it for a while. So let's see what has really changed. You can now access the apps by either opening the app drawer or just swiping up. Swiping up is a feature found in the Pixel phones. It's a nice feature that HTC has implemented, but I find it redundant having an app drawer menu when you can just swipe up to access all the apps. The icons are now rounded. This simplistic icon design is also inherited from Pixel devices. To be honest, I like the rounded icons, but this is Android, so if you don't like them, you can easily change. HTC also has a theme store where you have access to many icon options. 3D Touch is also a new feature that has been implemented on HTC 10 with the Android Oreo. It works with many Google-based apps and some third-party apps. It's a really nice feature to have, and I hope they implement it to work on other apps as well. To point out something really small, the menu option to change the wallpapers and themes has also changed. It used to be the list view, but now it's grid view. Anyway, we now have a variety of new wallpapers to choose from. I have noticed a slight improvement of battery life. This improvement has applied to both when the phone is being used and when it's on standby. The improvement is not huge, but you will notice the difference. HTC has also included Extreme Power Saver and Power Saver on the drop-down toggle menu to improve battery life further. The HTC File Manager is now available. You had to download it if you had previous Android version. You now have access to all storage options, from physical storage to cloud storage, all in one place. This was a feature I showed on my Nexus 6P. Now the HTC has also included it on the Android Oreo. It's not a big deal, but it's a nice feature to have. The overall performance is the same, snappy as usual, though other people have noticed a slight improvement. To be honest, I haven't really noticed any improvement. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Ta-da!